This right here drives me nuts. I hate this when these get trimmed so close that all you see are the sticks. What the were they thinking? Hey, it's Michael Bernier of Think Outside, and what the were they thinking? Today, we are going to talk about trimming bush. And I am standing in front of a FICUS Nitida hedge, which is a very, very common hedge in Southern California, Los Angeles, all over the place. It's used very frequently as property line borders, but especially for privacy here in Los Angeles. Take a look at how tall these things get. Now, what we're talking about today is the trimming and the care, the maintenance of this shrub. They don't have to be trimmed that close. You can let this grow out to at least a couple more inches before you trim it, and you don't have to trim it this far back, okay? Not only does it look like crap, I mean, look at this, you're just looking at sticks, but it's actually not healthy for the plant. And let me show you over here a healthy, well-trimmed bush for comparison, and I'll show you exactly why it's much better for the plant. So let's go over here. Okay, so here we are standing in front of another ficus hedge where the leaves have actually been allowed to grow out. You can see the bright green leaves here. This is new leaf growth. And not only does it look better, but it's healthier for the bush because, as you're probably aware, plants get their energy from photosynthesis, the energy from the sun, and they do that through their leaves. So if you've shaved off their leaves and have nothing but sticks, the plant is you're actually robbing the plant of food and creating its own energy. So it's my personal opinion that I'd like to see a little more growth on hedges. Don't cut them down so short. Allow them to grow out a little bit and have them be healthier. And I mean, look how much better this looks than the previous one we were just looking at. Keep that in mind next time when you're trimming your bush to let it grow out a little bit longer, and it's healthier for the plant, it looks better, and that's my 2 cents on bush trimming. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.